Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to download your USCIS receipt notice in 2026. If you've submitted an application and need proof of records, this is how you can get it easily. Yeah. So let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are on the official site for security. Now sign in to your USCIS online account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first to access your case documents. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard. This is where all your applications and case history are shown. Next, find the specific application you submitted. Click on it to open the case details page. Now look for the section called Documents or Notices. This is where USCIS stores your official receipt notice and other letters. Click on the receipt notice file, usually labeled as Form I-797C or similar. Once opened, you will see a download option. Click it to save the document to your computer or phone as a PDF. Now check your downloads folder to make sure the file is saved properly. You can also print it if you need a physical copy. If you don't see the notice, wait a little because sometimes it takes time to appear after submission. And that's it. Now you know how to download your USCIS receipt notice step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.